Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About It with Kumari and Pam. Well, today we're diving into the world of Wicked, the highly anticipated musical fantasy film starring the incredible Cynthia Erivo as Elphaba and Ariana Grande as Glinda, based on the beloved Broadway musical. This film takes us back to the land of Oz, but shows us a completely different perspective on the classic story we all know. So grab your favorite drink and settle in as we talk about the magic, the music, and the meaning behind Wicked. For those unfamiliar, Wicked is a reimagining of the Wizard of Oz story. It focuses on the backstory of Elphaba, the green-skinned girl who grows up to become the Wicked Witch of the West, and Glinda, the Good Witch. It explores their unlikely friendship, their struggles, and how society's perceptions of good and evil shape their destinies. This movie combines breathtaking visuals, heart-stirring performances, and of course the iconic music we've come to love from the Broadway production. Songs like Defying Gravity and Popular are brought to life in a way that feels both fresh and nostalgic. Let's talk about the performances. Cynthia Erivo brings so much emotional depth to Elphaba, making her a character we root for and deeply empathize with. Her voice is powerful and her portrayal adds layers of humanity to a character often misunderstood. On the other hand, Ariana Grande as Glinda is a delightful surprise. She balances Glinda's bubbly charm with moments of vulnerability that reminds us she is more than just a pretty face. Their chemistry on screen captures the heart of this story, an unlikely friendship tested by societal pressures and personal ambitions. While the movie has so many memorable moments, my absolute favorite was when Glinda invited Elphaba to attend the school party. The scene completely broke me. It was so emotional that it made me cry. It's not just an invitation to a party, it's a moment of genuine kindness and acceptance from Glinda, who sees past Elphaba's differences and reaches out with friendship. Watching Elphaba's reaction, full of hesitation and hope, reminded me of how powerful small acts of kindness can be in making someone feel valued. While the Land of Oz has never looked so vibrant, the visuals are stunning, from the dazzling Emerald City to the darker corners of Elphaba's world. The director does a fantastic job of blending fantasy elements with emotional storytelling, ensuring that every scene feels impactful. So what can we learn from the movie Wicked? The film challenges us to rethink our assumptions about good and evil. Elphaba is labeled wicked because she's different. But as the story unfolds, we see she's kind, brave, and misunderstood. This teaches us the importance of looking beyond appearances and societal labels to understand someone's true character. Elphaba and Glinda's friendship reminds us that connections with others can shape who we are, for better or worse. Even when life pulls them in different directions, their bond leaves an indelible mark on both of them. Elphaba's journey is a testament to staying true to yourself. even when the world is against you. It's a powerful reminder to embrace your uniqueness and stand up for what's right, no matter how difficult it may seem. Wicked is more than just a musical fantasy. It's a story about courage, friendship, and challenging the narrative society imposes on us. Whether you're a diehard fan of the musical or new to the world of Oz, this film offers something magical for everyone. So have you watched Wicked yet? What's your take on its themes of friendship and identity? And which scene was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thoughtful discussions. Thank you for watching. And as always, let's keep talking about it. Bye!